Welcome to the Health and Wellness Foundation. Here you will find research and information provided to educate yourself on potentially effective alternative medical treatments. We often post research, data, and information on prevention, diagnosis, and treatments with possible curative effects. One treatment we have researched, experimented with, and recommend to almost every client is the newest UV light therapy delivery device. This machine is non-invasive, delivered sublingually, and finally, a treatment you can administer in the comfort of your own home. In cooperation with our international associates, this machine has proven its efficacy to disarm any virus, bacteria, or fungus without the use of pharmaceuticals, meaning this machine is indicating that it can treat almost anything from the common cold to the HIV virus. In today's society, most people are health conscious and want to prevent any environmental and hereditary illness to overcome their body, and this machine is proving to be a great tool for prevention as well as treatment. For example, it has recently been introduced and approved for use in Israel to stimulate the immune system. This delivery device has been tested throughout the world in numerous case studies, and in addition to its efficacy with the HIV and AIDS virus, it is proving to be effective in treating hepatitis B, C, malaria, typhoid, amoeba infections, gangrene, and other blood-borne infections. Recently, we have disarmed pancreatic, spleen, and liver cancer, but these tests are still in early stages. In a small case study in Kenya, Africa, 24 out of 25 AIDS patients' viral load level was reduced to non-detectable after 40 one-hour treatments on the machine. This is just one of the many profound effects. We believe this machine is the way of the future. Too many people experience negative side effects from pharmaceuticals while treating or preventing a particular disease, and it doesn't need to be that way. UV light therapy has been around for more than 75 years and has been shown to be effective without pharmaceuticals and with minimal or no side effects. For years previous, UV delivery devices require an invasive intravenous method of delivery, and now the same results are achieved with this new non-invasive sublingual UV light delivery device. And for you animal lovers, we want to advise you that we have a great success with this form of treatment in specific areas. This machine has shown to be effective in the treatment of Hox disease for horses, as well as feline leukemia. The UV delivery device can be purchased without restrictions for use in the veterinary field. For more information on purchasing the UVC light delivery device, please scroll to the bottom of this page and click on Contact Us.